कौन बनेगी Miss India?
Well, before we get talking to the other contestants, let's first start with the Bengaluru girls. How can we ignore them? And they're all set to make us proud, all tall, beautiful, and quite confident, we must say. Why don't you introduce yourselves to us? What's your name? Where you come from? Which part of Bangalore?
I'm Nikhila and I'm a Bangalorean. I live in Sheshadripuram and I've lived there through most of my life.
I'm standing at a beautiful beach in Sri Lanka with my backdrop being the stunning ocean with the waves roaring behind me and the sun just about setting.
Everybody get up.
We have seen RCB players sweating it out on the field, but today Bengaluru saw them get stylish. And how? My colleague Nabila chatted up with the dudes to get their take on fashion and comfort.
Shopping with RCB.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying the fashion.
Come here, rude boy, boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, boy, is you big enough? Take it, baby.
Anything from Fly Machine. I think everyone's having a great time here and picking up far too many clothes.
All the teams have been phenomenal, and all have been playing great cricket.
If you want to immerse in an experience that literally comes just once a year, then get up and get here at the MM Road Food Festival, because let me warn you, this could be your last chance. Some of the greatest discoveries happen at a young age, and backing that philosophy are students of MS Ramaya Engineering College who have organized a fest that compiles all their hard work over 4 years.
Actually, the robot will copy exactly the movement of my hand.
Okay.
So I can see exactly what is needed.
We're only waiting to see if one of the projects takes flight, then it is going to make Bengaluru and India proud. With camera person Lakshman, this is Nabila for News 9 Bengaluru. The class teacher of that child has not come out and addressed the parents, protesting parents. None of the even the school principal has not come out so far. Only Rustam ji is saying that we'll do whatever it takes. In fact, they're not even saying that they will suspend the staff members if at all they are found guilty. Nowadays, children are so outgoing, it's not like before where children were reserved. You say, hey, come here, they'll come. They'll say what? They're so outgoing and so friendly. So I think there needs to be a line. You should really tell them how much to be open.
For the adult, we say very clearly what exactly it is.
Yeah.
For the child, good touch and bad touch itself enough.
Hello and welcome to this News 9 special with me, Nabila. The recent tragic events would make you think twice about your child's safety in a school van. You can really, most often you make a wrong judgment because you assume that, everything is safe because it's a school scenario, a school setup, but something somewhere slips and look what happens.
We cannot do away with the school vans. That's not possible.
Do you believe that a premarital potency test for both the bride and the groom should be made mandatory? She divorced her ex, blaming him of impotency, and then while she divorced you, she again accused you in certain ways, but she couldn't complete it because you have a child.
Yeah, because I had a child physically.